The second rant is on the HMD mobile that has announced 3 Nokia phones. They are not any Android phone, they are just basic phones. I have no idea what HMD Global is doing. They have the name for brand name Nokia, and the initial phones were doing very well, but they've totally lost the plot. They've launched a refresh of the 3-inch Nokia feature phones and just given them 4G. One of the Nokia 2660 Flip, 5710 Express Music, and 8210 4G. If you look at the Express for Nokia 5710, it has a QVGA color screen and it's audio control on the side of the screen, and it charges by micro USB. I have no idea why you're using micro USB, and it comes in the familiar white, red or black red colors, and it has earbuds built into the phone by a sliding mechanism. Then you get a Nokia 8210, which is a normal phone, normal traditional phone. It was first launched in 1999. It has a 2.8-inch QVGA screen, LTE connectivity, and it supports up to 3 GB storage. It comes with FM radio and it has a camera. For what? No idea. And then you get a 2660 flip phone. It comes with a VGA camera. It's got the same screen of the earlier Nokia phone. It's got a 1.77-inch panel on the front. It's got a VGA camera. All these phones are cheap. It comes from up to $70, $80. Why do you need such phones when you can buy cheapish Android phones that for $100, $150, like the Redmi, Realme phones that give you much better camera, much better experiences than these phones? I have no idea why HMD Global doing this. Instead of launching proper Nokia Android flagship phones, they launch such crap phones. Maybe they want to win a nostalgia. Anyway, take care.